Oh, and by the way, I do have a canoe. I just really need 2 people to use it. Yep, a nice canoe. Bought from an old Canadian friend in Raleigh about 20 years ago. Had it at Jordan Lake about 7-8 years ago. It works fine. Just need 2 people to really load it up. Alright, welcome back to the EXA Garden 2025. This is the second filming episode. Sunflowers right there. This is a gourd or pumpkins right here assortment. Got different colors. We've got blue Ukrainian pumpkins. We've got sunflowers, and this is a tomato. And this watermelons, sunflowers. We got some potatoes right here. Sunflowers, peppers right here. See, we got a sweet banana, jalapeno, and Bonnie Greenbill. Alright, more sunflowers up here. Got some Kajari melons all planted up here. Some peas or beans right here. I can't remember which ones those are. And we got some more pumpkins. Tomatillos, transplant. I grow them from seed. I've got some more growing. I'll plant right here. Got some rainbow tomatoes, striped, put right here. This is a mature carrot plant. Look at the flower. Yeah, beautiful flowers right there on this carrot plant right there. And got some okra back here. A radish is planted there. There's one coming up right there. Got some space to plant stuff right here. There's a few okra right here mixed in with some more pumpkins. And a ball on it looks like. Alright, inside the greenhouse here, got some buckets of water. Check out some of my rose cuttings. Alright, I selected a few out of the greenhouse. This is a dwarf crepe myrtle that I made cuttings about a month ago. It's got new leaves, so it's rooted. It's got some buds right there, so it's getting ready to grow new leaves this week. Alright, got some bright yellow roses right here. Got those coming up right there, new leaves. This is the most exciting. You can't really see it, but there's new leaf getting ready to come out right there. This was my dad's mother's rose. I never met her. It's about 60 years old. So, update you on that one next week. Another of my great grandmothers coming out right there and there. So we've got multiple of those. This is about 50 years old. This is a bright yellow one. I had some chipmunk problems this week, so these got disturbed a little bit. I think they'll be all right here, but this one's rooted. All right, got some more big red ones right here. They've all rooted. Some right here. These were my uncle's. It's a red running rose. Got some new growth right here this week. That's cool. More coming out. Another one right there. Got some new growth. The big yellow ones. It's getting ready to bloom. The bugs got that one. It's a shame. It's a rose. And this one, I think my mix of hydrogen peroxide was a little strong. These are purple smoke. And I've got some new growth right here coming out. They're all budding, so they They look dead, but they'll be just fine. Alright, I've got a butterfly tree or a butterfly bush right here. Got new growth right here. A little wet. A few gardenias right here. See the new leaves, new growth right here. As well on this one right there. One last gardenia right here. See the new growth coming out? And if you look real close, they got some new growth coming out there and right there as well. And right there. Right there. Alright, I pulled this cutting out of the greenhouse so you can look at it. Now most people would look at this and think it's dead. But if I zoom in on that right there, you can see a little green bud coming and new growth. Don't overwater, keep it in the shade. Keep it bacteria free and it'll make it. Alright, these are the adult purple roses right here. Got another one over here. Beautiful, aren't they? This right here is one of the purple roses from the stem cuttings and a yellow rose cutting. Alright team, appreciate you checking out this garden episode. We've got some fishing episodes coming next week. I went to the Tar River the other day, but the Falkland boat ramp was flooded and it was very, very muddy, so no luck there. Take care, have a great week.